Good day. My name is Edwin Abayomi. Welcome to another episode of greenhouse snail farming. As you can see, this snail house is not completed yet. It's about 80% completed. Then this is 60 by 120 feet, a plot of range system for snail farming. This facilities is just meant for us to create a natural habitat for snails that that will make them to feel at home, that will reproduce as if they are living in their natural habitat. Now, in as you can see, we're having a pole, we're having a net, we're having vegetation, we're having different type of plants, and then the essence of this net is just to prevent to create shade for the snails during sunning weather, and then at the same time it also prevents insects from coming in. So we this net allows rain to fall directly into the snail farm, and then the pole is being used to make the net to stand firm, and then we also have pathways. These are walkways. These are walkways, and these walkways we will later put plank, a dining for the snails, in such a way that where they can hide whenever there is sun, and where we can feed them. And then we have several plants here. So these plants are not just to create a natural environment for the snails, but some of them are shrubs and some of them are herbs that are beneficial to snails. Some of them are natural food, like this is cocoyam, it's natural food for snail. Then we also have this the water leaf, Talinium triangulare. So it's also what snail consume. And then we also this is also cucumber. This cucumber as well. So snails also they also consume cucumber. And then we have a banana. So this banana, what it does is that the leaves protect the snails, prevent them from being scorched by the sun.
So some of the snails go behind it.
Yes, some of them go behind it. And then we also have this uh kokoros. They call it iwedu, popularly known as iwedu. So they also eat uh this leaf as well. Then potato, whether white or red, they also eat potato leaves. And then they also eat cassava leaves as well. And then they also eat ugu leaves. They also eat ugu leaves. And then there are some, despite that they eat varieties of plants, there are some plants that must not be found in their um in the pen, in the snail house. And the type of the plant are grasses like elephant grass, Penicetum purpureum, like this one. This particular weed is not meant to be found in the snail house. Reason being that it has blade and can easily injure snails. Then it can even human being. This blade can easily injure human being as well. Then they also eat pawpaw, be it fruit or the leaves. They consume the pawpaw fruit, both the ripe one and unripe one. So they are also good food for snail. In this pen at the moment, there is no irrigation system. It could be sprinkler, or spraying tube. This is just to supply water to snail so that they don't estivate when there is too much sun, because naturally snails does not like dry environment. They like watering environment, moist environment. So they do well in moist environment. And then we supply water when there is no rain or when the rain is not enough, just to make sure that they don't go into a state of dormancy or inactiveness for some period of time. This particular facility is a plot, and the capacity it can carry is 2,000 snail. It could be point of lay or baby snail. When it is more than 2,000, then the snails tend to struggle for resources to survive. It can be lower, but 2,000 snails per plot is the standard. This system is open range system. It's capital intensive. It require huge amount of money to the fencing, the pathway, the nets, and the structure itself. But it creates a better environment for snails. And this is the best system so far, rather than using a pen or using a tire or using a small enclosure to raise snails. Another benefit is that even if you don't feed them, they feed on the plants. So subsequently, you can be introducing concentrate that the standard feed for them. Introducing calcium and all that. They will still survive. This is all for today's episode. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, comment, and if you have any question, we create more videos. Thank you.